another downhill to win in another comeback?
Yeah, and especially it's not just another downhill. It is one of the difficulties downhill, and so it's a great victory and an important victory, especially the Austrian press waiting for a victory from the race, and we are skiing very well in the moment, but it's not so easy to win. And in the moment, it's the international. It's the races are so international, and it's not so easy to beat them.
Being the real winner because you have to ski while it's snowing so hard.
That's part of the game. This is the real winner. Like skiing, you're dealing with nature, so you're always going against other grains. You have advantages in some points, and you have disadvantages in other points, and so I can't think I'm the winner because I didn't win. This is the man. He's right here, and it's such a minute margin. I 500ths off the win, but I beat DDA in Gardena by 200ths. It's so minute, but the winner is the winner, and this is the guy who won. And right on, brother.
Thank you, Steve.
When you see the axle crash, was it you that said you haven't watched it yet? You didn't want to watch it yet? How do you handle that? Emotionally. I mean, do you just put it aside and forget about it, or does it play on your nerves?
Can I answer?
Sure.
I watched. First of all, I didn't want to watch the crash, but I had to because I had to knew what he did, and I think he did a mistake. He went maybe too much on the back with the body, and after a few meters, if you catch the wind under the skis, you're landing on the back, and that's what he did. It's Birds of Prey, the Golden Eagle. It's one of the biggest jump you have. You're coming with 110 kilometers on that jump, and you just see one line, and it's not like it's a row. It's really a jump. You fly out of the snow, and it's one of the biggest, but also one of the nicest. But you're not allowed to make mistake. That's why I had to see what he did, to know what I don't have to do.
But it doesn't